Why are people still buying these bubble mailers? Whether it's the Aerofoil or Feather Post or Mail Light or Jiffy brand, when actually you can save money switching to a paper-based sustainable choice. These are 8p, these are 7.7p, these you get 9,000 per pallet, these 4,500 per pallet, these are 5mm thick, so you get more through large letter than these, which are 8mm thick. There is literally no reason. Corner protection is guff in these. Corner protection hurts your hand in these. Literally, there is no reason. This won't form into box form. This does form into box form. This can hold all these items in here without being punctured. This gets punctured. Amazon switched from these to a corrugated envelope when the CD was popular in 2010 because it reduced their damages by 63%. These are faster to pack than these because you don't get an overhanging release paper and it's really fiddly, hurts your nail to get the release paper off. These you have an overhanging release paper, so it's really easy to peel off. These are quite commonly made in Germany or Far East. We made these in Cambridgeshire. Why on earth do people keep buying bubble mailers? Please somebody tell me. I'm not literally that annoyed with it. Yes, I bloody am annoyed. I'm here to actually change the world. We want to eradicate single-use plastics from e-commerce. And I guess it just breaks my heart to still see this chosen by so many, but it's not even the cheapest option anymore. Anyway, I hope you enjoy some more explainer videos of how these items hold the perfect size product. But in the meantime, mail happy and switch to these.